Hello everyone. So this in this lecture we are going to discuss the question from NET JRF December 2014, and this question is from ring theory. So let's start with the question. Is R of x be a polynomial ring in one variable over the real field R? So R of x is a polynomial ring in one variable over the real field R, or I is contained in Rx is an ideal. So I is an ideal of Rx. Then we have to pick the correct statement. First option is I is a maximal ideal if and only if I is a non-zero prime ideal. So I is a maximal if and only if I is a non-zero prime ideal. Second statement is I is a maximal ideal if and only if the quotient ring R of x by I is isomorphic to whole real line R. Third statement, I is a maximal ideal if and only if I is generated by some f of x with f of x is non-constant, irreducible polynomial over field R. And fourth option is I is a maximal ideal if and only if. So maximal ideal if and only if there exists f of x belonging to I, a polynomial which is belonging to I, and degree of p is less than or equal to 2, or degree of this f is less than or equal to 2, and f is non-constant. So this one is fourth option. So basically this question is based on the some properties of a PID. So first property we have R or f is field if and only if f of x is PID. Second, in PID, principal ideal domain, we have some of the properties. Every non-zero prime ideal or a non-zero prime ideal is maximal, and maximal ideal is prime ideal. So a non-zero ideal is a maximal, or maximal ideal is always a prime ideal. And another property, every maximal ideal is generated by irreducible polynomial, or every maximal ideal, or basically every non-zero maximal ideal is generated by irreducible polynomial, or every irreducible polynomial generates a maximal ideal. So these all property we have already discussed in the theory lecture of a maximal or prime ideal in a PID. So just go through the given lecture based on the principal ideal and Euclidean domain, and you will find these all three properties. Now come to given question. R of x is a polynomial ring in one variable over R. R is fit, so R of x must be a PID. So we will use this all three properties. So R of x is a PID. So in PID, every I is a maximal if and only if it is a non-zero prime ideal. So your first statement is definitely true. We have already proved in theory lecture. Now second is I is a maximal. So if I is a maximal ideal, implies the quotient ring R of X by I is a field, but this does not implies it is isomorphic to R. If we will take an ideal I which is generated by x square plus 1, then R of X upon I is isomorphic to C. Just use the Chinese remainder theorem. You can easily prove that Rx by I is isomorphic to C. So this I is maximal ideal, since this polynomial is irreducible polynomial in Rx, or every ideal generated by irreducible polynomial is a maximal. So this ideal is a maximal, but this quotient ring is not isomorphic to C. So your second option is false. If there is a statement I is Rx by I is isomorphic to R, then definitely I is maximal, but I is maximal does not imply this is isomorphic to R. So this statement is true from one side. Sorry, B option is false. Now come to C option. In C option, I is a maximal. So we have already discussed that in a PID, every non-zero maximal ideal is generated by irreducible polynomial, or every irreducible polynomial generates a non-zero maximal ideal. Now R of X is PID, but not it is not a field. So zero ideal is never maximal. So I is a maximal. So obviously implies I must be a non-zero ideal. So it must be generated by non-zero or non-constant irreducible polynomial. So this is a direct statement. So your C option is also true. Now D option, if I is a maximal ideal, so obviously I is generated by some element f of x, and this, since I is a maximal, so this f of x is never constant polynomial. If it is constant, then it must be unit in R provided non-zero, or ideal generated by unit is equal to R, because I is maximal, but this is never equal to R of x. So definitely f is non-constant. And f is irreducible polynomial. So in Rx, every polynomial with degree greater than or equal to 3 is reducible. So this implies degree of f must be less than or equal to 2. So if I is a maximal ideal, then definitely there exists fx belongs to I whose degree is less than or equal to 2, and f is non-constant. This is fx. But if f of x, or there exists f of x belongs to I and degree of f is less than or equal to 2 and f is a non-constant, this does not imply I is a maximal. A simple example, if we will consider any fx which is of degree 2 which can be reducible, so I can be generated by x square minus 1. Now this is fx which is non-constant degree 2 and fx is the reducible polynomial, and the ideal generated by reducible element or reducible polynomial in Rx is never maximal. So in this case, if I is a maximal, this implies there must exist fx whose degree is less than or equal to 2, f is non-constant, and this is member of I. But if this is true, does not imply this. So in this case, our option is if and only if. So your D option definitely false.